In this video, I will show you how to factory reset and format your Google TV or Android TV without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings on your Google TV, click on OK, and the next thing you want to do is to click on OK, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to system. Then go ahead and click on system, and then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on about. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on reset. Go ahead and click on factory reset. Factory reset, then this will restore your device to default setting and erase all data, account, file, and download apps. All you have to do is to slide down right here. Go ahead and click on factory reset. And with that, your TV become new. All apps or viruses on your TV is going to be wiped off. You can factory reset your TV so in case you want to give it out or you want to sell your TV. This is one of the reasons why you factory reset your TV. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.